What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to generate more leads and better leads for your business by harnessing content. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. If you already follow me, I do videos on entrepreneurship, business, finance, investing, real estate, software, recruiting, anything like make money online or in that genre. I'm doing videos on it. So you should definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and watch this video until the end because we're going to talk about something that's super, super important that ultimately leads to you having way more leads or clients than you can even handle. All right, guys, I'm going to dive right into this one. So basically everybody can agree that we all need more leads. We all need more at bats, chances and opportunities to work with new clients. And there's a certain way to do that, and it's called the content strategy. Simply put, you guys aren't putting out enough content, or you're not putting out quality content. I'm gonna go through some ways that you could actually make your content super quality, super good, and super receptive to your clients so that they wanna do business with you, so that they repetitively do business with you, and they love doing business with you. All right, so first things first, when I talk about content, I'm not just talking about doing TikToks and IG Reels and that kind of stuff. I'm talking about deeper content. I'm talking about things in cold email. I'm talking about LinkedIn content. I'm talking about strategies that are a little bit deeper and have some more depth to them and have some more originality, right? Some actual content that resonates with your audience, your specific audience, and knowing the audience. So let's start right there. Do you even know who your audience is? Do you actually know who you're targeting? Like who you want to see your content, right? First things first, like, do you even know who these people are that you actually want to target? There's so many opportunities out there. There's so many clients. There's so many leads. But do you know what batch of them that you actually want to attract? What batch of them do you actually want responses from? That's what we want to get down to the heart of. And knowing your market, knowing your audience is critical. All right, so once you know your audience and once you understand who your avatar is, right? Your avatar is going to be your ideal customer, your ideal client, the ideal person or business, whatever it is that you want to work with. Once you know who that is, you want to know exactly what they want to hear and see. You want to know exactly how to hit that person correctly. Once you target that decision maker, that company, or whatever at large, you want to know specifically what type of content do they want to see? Do they want to see video? Do they need audio? Do they need articles? Like, what do they need, right? So we go through all these things. We identify specifically the targeting, right? And then exactly what type of content you want to hit these leads with. Because to generate leads, first we need to target, then we need to identify what they want to hear. By putting out content and specific strategic content, your audience, your custom avatar is going to build more trust with you, okay? So as you continuously push out a content strategy, this is not a short-term thing. I'll talk about that in a second. But the thing is, your audience is going to trust you as you show up more, right? I've done a video before where I talked about it's not about who you know, it's about who knows you in business, right? There's a whole debate on that with networking, but nonetheless, it's about who knows you. And you need to be known and show up to your clients, to your leads that you want to generate and build trust with them. Ultimately, once you've built trust with these people, they'll be very receptive to your offer or your value proposition, what you have to offer them, what you have to give them, right? They'll be receptive to hearing what you have to say in a video that you're watching right now, maybe because you trust that I put out a lot of content and so it's good stuff. Or maybe they want to listen to an audio clip that you sent on LinkedIn because you put out a lot of content in other ways on LinkedIn. So it's a mismatched strategy. Somehow you'll get the trust out of these clients and generate the leads that you want by putting out quality content that generates that trust. All right, beyond trust, you're going to generate more leads and better leads, okay? So here's the deal. When you put out specific content. Remember I talked about putting out strategic content just for that audience that you want to hit? When you put that out, you're going to generate the specific leads back at you. It's a mirror effect, right? So what you put out specifically for somebody is going to get exactly what you want back, right? If you're targeting the roofing business, right, and you're targeting roofers, right, you don't want to put out content that just has nothing to do with roofing, right? It has to do with what they do or what they need or what their pain points are or, whatever it is. Talk about that, right? Like give them like A, B, C, whatever they need on that. You know what I mean? When you're talking about something else, they're just going to tune out and not care. So you're going to generate more leads and better leads that are specific to your niche, specific to what you want, right? Actually coming back at you when you generate trust, when you generate the right targeting, and you'll get more and better quality leads. All right, so this one's super, super simple. Be original. Always, always, always be yourself. Just be exactly who you are. Don't try to emulate anyone else. Don't try to copy anyone's strategy. Literally just be who you are. There is one of you, and it's the best version of you. Be that version, and just make that version better and better and better of yourself. Don't copy anyone. Don't try to emulate anyone. You might take patterns or you might take, concepts, but don't literally try to actually be somebody else. Be yourself. That's the best version that they actually want to see. And people are attracted to original, genuine, authentic content. All right, so simply put, the more content you put out, the more SEO you're going to generate. You're going to show up on Google, page 1, right? Check out my name, Google my name, right? I show up on page 1 because I put out a ton of content all the time, articles all the time, YouTube videos, Monday through Friday, right? Like all the time. So the content shows up and the proof is in the pudding. All you have to do is run a Google search and you'll find out who's putting out the most content, who is the most content driven. That's why people on the first or second or third result on Google are getting the most traffic and getting the most results and leads because they're putting out a high content strategy. You should do the same and you can get the same results. All right, another one here for you is when you put out content consistently and it's good content, right? I'm not talking about like half, content that's half baked, not really all the way there. Put content out that's really, really good, right? And here's the thing, that content is going to pop. It has the chance to go viral, right? People can actually take it and be like, wow, like I didn't know that. You know what I mean? Pull something out that like literally nobody's thinking about and make a video about it. Or pull something out and make an article on LinkedIn about it and make a crazy headline, right? Some headline that just like people just, it's a pattern interrupt, right? People just turn their heads. They're like, what? Okay, let me read that for sure. So put out content that actually pops and gives people authority, right? So the more you do that, the more you're going to be seen as an authority in the niche, which is, again, going to piggyback off that trust factor, which is ultimately what people want when they want to do business with you. When they decide to finally do an actual transaction with you, create a relationship with you, whatever it is, they need that trust factor. And you need that it factor by actually creating quality content that's going to get it. All right, guys. The last but not least of the entire content marketing strategy is that it's going to save you money. Okay? It doesn't cost you a dime to write an article on LinkedIn. It doesn't cost you a penny to make a YouTube video. It doesn't cost you anything to send out a voice note on LinkedIn to specific targeted clients that you want to work with. It doesn't cost you any money to have an organic lead gen content strategy. This will save you literally eons of money because people just pour money down Facebook ads and at ad agencies and just hope and pray and just wait. But if you utilize like cold outbound email, right? You're literally saving so much money if you do it the right way. If you actually do things the proper way, you're going to be generating leads for absolutely zip nada nothing. If everything is organic and strategically positioned, you're going to build trust, authority, awareness. You're going to generate more leads and better leads, and it's not going to cost you any money. All right, guys, I hope this video is valuable. I just want you to get more leads, and I want to tell you how to do it because I make content a lot and it works. It's really, really good. And I teach people how to find recruiting clients using a lot of content. So with that being said, if you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe if not already, and join our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire. Link in the bio of this video. We'd love to have you in the group, and I will see you guys next time.